Welcome to the Drop Shop Garage. Today we are going to be featuring a Coleman CT 200U. This Coleman I bought brand new out of the box, but as soon as I got it, I wanted it to go a little tiny bit faster. So the very first thing I did was I took the governor screw and completely just backed it right off. That gave us about an extra 5 miles an hour. Then I ordered a performance kit, stage 1, from powersports. This stage 1 performance kit came with a K&N racing filter. It came with straight pipe exhaust, and it came with a larger jet for the carburetor. So that gives us a few more miles per hour. I really like and enjoy this mini bike. We bought 2 of them brand new, one for me and one for my son, and we ride them almost every other day. They always start on the first pull usually. They are very dependable. We take them on trails, we ride them on the street, we take them to off-roading parks, and overall, these have been great. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.